Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to fix a forward edge purge valve. Start by disconnecting the negative battery cable and relieving any system pressure before you touch parts. Locate the purge valve on the evap canister near the firewall and visually inspect for cracks, soot, or a stuck pintle. Unplug the electrical connector and check vacuum lines for leaks or blockages. Take clear notes or photos to guide reassembly and ordering parts. Begin with simple tests to avoid unnecessary replacement and keep the process friendly. Measure coil resistance and confirm an audible click when the valve is energized using a safe 12V source. Use a handheld vacuum pump to check that the valve holds or releases vacuum as appropriate. Inspect all vacuum hoses for brittleness, splits, or disconnected fittings that could mimic a bad purge valve and cause a check engine light. When replacement is required, keep the mood relaxed and methodical to avoid mistakes. Remove mounting bolts, gently separate electrical connectors and vacuum lines, and replace the valve using proper seals. Reinstall the bracket and hardware in the same orientation, reconnect hoses and the electrical plug, then reconnect the negative battery cable. Clear fault codes with a scanner, observe for new leaks, and perform a short test drive to confirm the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.